Alright guys, this is round 2 of the URGENEX 1200 mAh 30C JST connected battery setup. You get this fast charger, 2 batteries, somewhere around the $20. You'll see a link in the description. We ran these, charged them up from fresh, so these are run to where they started to die a little bit. We're gonna plug it in, start the stopwatch, see how long it takes. I'm trying to do this a few times so we get an idea how good that charger is, and how good the batteries are. So this would be a normal setup. Using a standard wall jack. They don't provide one, so lights are on. Plug in one. Start the stopwatch. Green light started. Plug in number 2. Green light is started. About 11 seconds apart. See, there's the stopwatch. And I'll be back once they're done blinking. Alright, first one finished charging at 45 minutes, maybe a minute or so, so 42 minutes. That's 6 minutes off of the initial charge, but the other one's still going. This one was only plugged in 10 seconds later, so it probably might have been drained a little more. I'll come back when that one's done. Yeah, it looks like we're at 52 minutes. That's the second one charging. Now I unhooked the first because it started blinking again, and I know it will finish charging, so I didn't want it to start trying to charge again. So yeah, it looks like the time is right on this. Now this could be because the phone charger I'm using, who knows. I'm gonna try it on a different phone charger, USB port, maybe off a computer, I don't know. See if I can get, make sure it's USB 3 on the third try. So anyways, we're gonna take these batteries out and get them on our crawlers, and we did some work on the track today, so play around with them. And all right, we just got done charging our 1200 mAh URGENEX 30C performance LiPos, and got them in our MN45 and our C24, and we're going to get them on the course and see how they do. I don't know if this is any good. First time on these, right? I think we need yeah, we need more rocks on the other side. Yeah, buddy. Like a pro. $30 special. No. It's all gas. It's all gas. Okay, let me see if I can make this work. I think I might be stuck. You know what? I think we need another rock over here, just to get up on the edge there, like that. Now, whoa. Whoa, that was almost. You almost saved that. It's like video games. You go back to where you started.
Oh my god, that's so bad.
I know. You gotta turn your throttle. It's probably that new motor. I think it was bigger, but I bought a whole gearbox. Whoa. We gotta get these on the trail again. That was so fun.